He said only for premium members, you have to pay a one-time payment of 60 cedis to become a premium member of Payclass. Click OK. And these 60 cedis, once you pay it, you will not have to pay it again to access any of the classes. You can participate in any of the classes, all of the classes, just after paying 160 cedis, like one time 60 cedis. Once after paying it, you will not have to pay any other thing again to access all the classes, and you will enjoy all the benefits of Payclass, both the crypto, forex, graphics, everything, plus the crypto signals, betting odds, all the things that Payclass will have to give you. It will be sent to you directly to your message box, either your message or your WhatsApp, directly, without you having to pay any other thing apart from these 60 cities. So you have to just click OK. Once you click OK, it will bring you to a payment page. Oh, my data is all right. This is a payment page. Now there are two options: pay with Flutterwave, pay with Momo. You have to pay with Momo because Flutterwave sometimes doesn't work for Ghanaians. It's very, very difficult. Sometimes network is a problem, so you just select Momo. And this Momo, you have to just make payment, send 60 cedis to this Momo. You know, the 60 cedis to this Momo number here. This is Chidera Samuel Ozochi. That's the name of the Momo number. That is my official Momo number, all right? So that's what the company is using for now, because we don't have a company registered in Ghana yet. So there's no way we can get a Momo company number from Ghana, all right? So but we'll soon get that done. It's just to just take me to visit Ghana a little, just one more time, and then I get that fixed. All right, so once you make payment to this Momo, once it's successful, come down here and click on this button. I have made this payment. Once you click on the button, our system will confirm the payment you've made and activate you instantly. So what you need to do is to click on login. All right, so but you have to just give it a little time, maybe like 5 minutes or 2 minutes or a minute, just before you click on login. And then when you click on login, you put your login details and then you enter. That's how to register as a Ghanaian.